This thing apart. So sad because my kids don't want to play with the sandbox anymore. I built this thing with love, so I'm going to use it for my raised bed. I'm going to put it right over there. I already took this board off, getting ready to take off the rest. I made this cover for it with my bare hands. I made this little bench for it with my bare hands. Look at that thing. And they don't want it. I tried to let it last for another year, but they refused to play with it. Okay, bye-bye, sandbox. Hello, beautiful vegetables. Last year around this time, I did my gardening in a little bit of a different way. I planted squash, cucumber, strawberries, blueberries, peppers, and tomato using grow bags. And I recorded this ASMR style video to show my start of that garden. If you're interested in seeing that video, I'll link it in the description box below as well as in the cards in this video. So I'm not sure if I did something wrong, but the garden was not successful. So I'm just trying another version of gardening this year, and hopefully I have some better results. And I know there's a lot of different ways you can put this together. I've read a lot of different things for what to do as far as putting things down on the ground first. But I'm just gonna do it one way that I found, which is just to add the garden soil directly into the soil that's already on the ground and kind of mix it in, and then just plant your stuff right in there. I'm gonna see how successful I am this year. And I just have these 2 bags of garden soil. I'm going to add them right in here. And of course the neighbors would have to be working with their power tools as soon as I come out here. But I'm proceeding with the video. To blend. And these are the things that I'm planting. I have aroma tomato. Bell pepper, cherry tomato, and cilantro. I think I'm going to put some strawberries over here and maybe squash back there, something like that. And I want to plant some rosemary maybe in that back corner, and then sprinkling some of it around the yard, around the edges of the yard, which I heard is what will prevent the ticks and fleas from coming into your backyard. So this is it. I still have to get these little pieces cut off and the ends, and we'll either figure out on our own, or maybe our neighbor right over there, he has all the power tools. I'm sure you could hear them. He's very, very nice and very, very helpful. So here we go, getting started.